Hey y'all, this is the G.I. Joe team. Yes, y'all. Let's mix it up. Yes, y'all. We got the tank. We got Berenice. Yes, y'all. We got the tank. Let's mix it up. Let's switch out the tank. Let's bring out the tumbler. See how the tumbler looks in there in the army scene. Nice Batman stuff. We're gonna take HM Armed Forces helicopter out. Berenice twins. Yes, y'all. What else we got here? We got a Lamborghini. See how that looks? Yes, y'all. All these vehicles. Check out the Dragonfly. Dragonfly and Batman Tumbler, Batmobile. We got a Lamborghini in there. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Take out Glenda. Take her out of there. She's got like some Spider-Man legs. Yes, y'all. Lovely figure. Nice detail. Let's take Wild Bill out of there. Yes, y'all. Yeehaw. Yeehaw champion. Yes, y'all. We got these figures all out here. Want to show off these guys up close. Glenda by the Lamborghini. Yes, y'all. Infantryman. His weapons are all inside there. Yes, y'all. His big guns. Yes, y'all. We got Dusty in here. Tiger Force Dusty. Yes, y'all. Batmobile. Tumbler. Army stuff. Yes, y'all. Beachhead. Let's bring him out. Join the army. Yes, y'all. Let's put in this guy in the front. Ripcord. Ripcord over there. Let's put Crazy Legs in the back. Yes, y'all. Night Force. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Night Force, look at them firing those missiles. And the guns. Yes, y'all. See how these missiles fire off. Gonna hit the tumbler. Camo tumbler. Yes, y'all. The Art of War. Take off this missile. Hit the Stinger. The Vamp. Yes, y'all. I didn't see how the helicopter looks without the missiles. Very sleek, slender. Yes, yes, y'all. Looks different without the missiles. Not as big, not as wide. Very slender. These light piping. These lights come on in the sunlight. There's Glenda with the Lamborghini. There's the Tumbler. There's all these Joes. Dropped Beachhead's backpack. Yes, yes, y'all. I got all the accessories. Yes, yes, y'all. And that is a gnarly army scene. Toy heaven. Can't get them to sit in there. Yeah. We got a hook here that can plug in into any of these ports. Take that off. Got it. Thought I was breaking it. Yes, sure. Got a hook. And want to stick it in here, but you got to get the proper gear. Yeah. Well, that'll do. And we got a ripcord hanging from the helicopter. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's put Glenda back. She's getting out her Lamborghini, getting into the helicopter. Yes, yes, y'all. Wild Bill. That's an awesome G.I. Joe team. This guy's hanging over there. Yes, yes, y'all. See these missiles come off. Fire at this helicopter. Fire at the vamp. Yes, yes, y'all. A lot of missiles that can be played with. More missiles. Yes, yes, y'all. These missiles come off too. There we go. Dropping into the action. Yes, yes, y'all. Got all of this. Yes, yes, y'all. And the Berenice twins. Yes, yes, y'all. That is a hot collection. Fun to play with. Yes, yes, y'all. Thanks for subscribing, y'all. You get more videos like this. More likes, more videos.